Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade hummus from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients: chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, garlic, and good quality olive oil. You can use dried chickpeas, which require soaking overnight, or opt for canned chickpeas for a quicker preparation. Remember to peel and crush your garlic cloves to release their full aromatic potential. This initial setup is key for a flavorful base. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to blend. Add the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and crushed garlic into your food processor. For that extra creamy texture, incorporate a few tablespoons of ice water while blending. This helps emulsify the mixture and makes it incredibly smooth and light. Continue processing until the hummus reaches a perfectly velvety consistency, pausing to scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Don't rush this step for the best results. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And speaking of keeping things clean after all that cooking, why not let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life so much easier. You can find the link to this amazing product and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the finishing touches that elevate your hummus. Taste your creation and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper until it's just right. A generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over the top before serving adds richness and a beautiful sheen. For an appealing presentation and an extra layer of flavor, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of paprika, fresh chopped parsley, or a dash of sumac. Enjoy your freshly made, delightful hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.